Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a thumbnail. So first what you gotta do is get an app called Thumbnail Maker. It's free. Then you get to choose a background color. You can choose anything you want, but I'm just gonna keep white for mine. And then you can add any text you want, like you know what? And then you can choose many different ones. Then you can go on cursive, but then if you want more, you can add another text. And boom, you can do this one different too. So yeah. Then you can add like an icon. I'm gonna do a preview for this video. Whole different type of different ones. Let's see. Happy face. You just put that right there, and boom, you got yourself a perfect one. Also, right here, you can add a picture. Just go to gallery, and you can add a little picture, and then boom, you have it. Oh, also for this happy face right here, the one that I'm moving, you can change its color. Also, you can change the colors text. Wait, I think you can. Oh yeah, look. Oh wait, no. What? I have no idea. Before I think I did it, but I forgot. But maybe you guys can find out. But boom, you have yourself an awesome thumbnail. Just need to download JP. Download JP. Then you can put any file name you want, just straight up like that. And then no, what is this? No, not this. And then you go to YouTube Studio. Then you go to YouTube Studio. And then you go to your videos. And then you just press on it. Then you need to press this little pencil in the corner. And edit thumbnail. Change. Then you just choose the normal one. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed my tutorial. I gotta go now. See you guys.